Hey everyone, Shalon Winter here. I hope you're all having a fantastic weekend. As always, my risk disclosure is here. Trading futures is risky. You can lose all of your money. And know what you're doing before you do it. So take a moment to pause this video, read over this. And without further ado, we're going to continue on. And this video is, as you read, it is about the free Apex Trader Funding Evaluation Giveaway. That's right, I'm giving away a free evaluation account. And, you know, if you're part of my Facebook group, the Apex Trader Funding non-official group, link is in the description below. We crossed over 2,000 members in the group, and I appreciate every single one of you for being a part of the group. Some of you are there simply for discounts. Some of you, and that's okay. You know, that's what it's there for. It's, you know, for discounts. We have testimonials, we have trader talk, we have all sorts of stuff in there that, you know, that we talk about. So, I mean, the actual group is called Apex Trader Funding, non-official, discounts, tips, and testimonials. And it's called that for that reason. You know, it's some people are there for discounts only. I welcome that. That's what it's there for. Some people are there to talk trading, talk psychology, all you know, different types of things. At the end of the day, thank you all for being a part of the group. And like I said, we crossed over 2,000 members, so I'm doing a free giveaway, an evaluation account. It is very simple. You gain an entry by doing the following. This has been going on all week, by the way, so if you have missed it, hurry up and do this to enter for a chance to win. Enter your email in the first link. So the links are going to be in the description of this YouTube video. Okay? That first link is going to look like this. Apex Trader Funding. You put in your email, name, hit submit. Just want to mention, down here, you'll only receive emails in regards to new discounts or Apex information. No spam or other sales. I will never spam you with other stuff, with other affiliate stuff. Nothing like that. When you enter your email, you're only going to get information for Apex Trader Funding accounts, or anything Apex. But I really only send out information on discounts. So don't worry about spam. You'll never get a bunch of junk. And I do not sell off your information. Frankly, I don't even know how to do that. Besides, I have to know where to send your discount code for the free evaluation if you are the lucky winner. Now, with me saying that, if you do win the evaluation, it's a free evaluation account, but your 30 days, if you go into the recurring months, you will have to pay for the recurring months, okay? And that will be at the 50% discounted rate. So if you're the winner, you don't have to pay anything out of pocket. If you fund it within the first 30 days, you pay zero. You'll just pay for your PA account, your funded account. If you go into the recurring months, that's when you'll have to pick up as the 50% winner. So really you have nothing to, I mean, this is a great opportunity just to get a free account. Okay, so that's what that first link will do. You have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this, you're on YouTube, subscribe. You have to do it anyways. The winner will be announced. The drawing will be Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. I will do a live YouTube video. The YouTube will be live. I'll do the drawing then. Also, here's the YouTube, Shalon Winter Futures Sniper Beast, okay? It'll be live there. I want to announce, because we crossed 2,000 members in my group, I told you I may be doing something special. Well, this evaluation giveaway is special. But it doesn't stop there. During the live drawing tomorrow, I'm going to have an announcement. Basically, I'm announcing right now that I will be having an announcement. Sunday evening. During the drawing, I will be making an announcement of something super sweet that none of you want to miss. I promise it will be worth it. So tune in Sunday evening, 7 p.m. Eastern Time on YouTube. You have to be subscribed anyways. Hit the notifications. Make sure you get notified when I go live. Okay? Also, you have to follow my Instagram. Follow my public Facebook page, the future Snipers Beast page. All right, all the links are going to be in the description. I'll put bio in case if you're looking at my Instagram bio. But in the description of this video, every link in this order will be there. Enter your email, sub to YouTube, follow my Instagram, follow my Facebook page. Okay, it's that simple. That's it. Okay, so tune in Sunday evening, find out who the winner is, and be there for the special announcement. You don't want to miss it. Hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you all tomorrow night. Take care.